In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Webflow to Claude AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser and go to Webflow and basically sign into your account here. It's just going to speed up the process. And then from here, come to Claude and then sign into your account as well. And now we need to find the Customize tab. It's kind of in the middle on that cluster of tabs on the top left. Then from there, click on to connect your apps in the middle of the screen. Now where it says connectors to the right of that, we want to go ahead and search for Webflow and then click on the little plus icon next to Webflow. Now once we've clicked onto that, it's going to say here complete the sign-in steps in the new browser. Now if it doesn't work, go ahead and click on relaunch the tab. Now on this page here, we want to go ahead, you'll be redirected to the following locations. Claude is requesting access for this. Click on I recognize and trust this URL and click continue. Then from here, we want to go ahead and choose a workspace or a site. So I'm just going to choose my workspace and click on Authorize app. Now, once it's finished authorizes, it's probably going to take you back to Claude AI from memory. So, yep, it's going to do that. Now, in the top right-hand corner, it should say here, connected to Webflow.